A shark zooms past. They're like underwater superheroes with super senses to help them find their way. And there's a sea turtle paddling slowly but never giving up. Keep swimming, little turtle. Steady swimmers win the race. What's that squirting ink into the water? An octopus, the escape artist of the sea. Can you name that ocean dweller? Take a deep breath and shout it out. Did you say octopus? You're right. High five from the ocean depths. Let's zoom across the lands to see the furry, feathered and scaly friends. Look! A zebra with black and white stripes like pajamas. So comfy. A giraffe stretches her neck high up to grab crunchy leaves from the treetops. Koalas are sleepyheads. They snooze more than 18 hours a day. Wow! A sneaky fox with a fluffy tail darts through the trees. Foxes are clever and quick. They can sneak up on anyone. From the snowy north, we'll head to the deep blue sea for an up-close look at some gentle giants. Bleh, blia! A blue whale blows a fountain of water higher than a two-story house. They're the biggest animals on Earth. Orcas swim by working together in groups. They're the true wolves of the sea. A sea lion barks and claps its flippers like a comedian on the beach. How funny! A pufferfish puffs itself up into a spiky balloon. That's a surprise. Defense mode activated. A hermit crab scuttles by carrying its home on its back. When it gets too small, they simply find a new one. And a lobster snaps its claws like a drummer in an ocean band. What a beat! Now let's visit some barnyard buddies and other fuzzy friends. Pigs roll in the mud and snort happily. Ch, ch, ch. Horses gallop across wide open fields. Clip, clop, clop. Their manes flow in the wind. Sheep baa and like to stay in fluffy flocks. Baa. Chickens pick the ground looking for yummy food. Cluck, cluck. Last but not least, let's take a spin through the animal kingdom with one last dazzling parade. Which one was your favorite today? Lion. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun animal adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.